Can't close a stubborn program with Task Manager? In this video, I'll show you how to force close any program that Task Manager can't terminate. Let's get started. Obviously, we know it wouldn't work. Why else would we try to use the Task Manager to try killing the process? But let the system catch its breath in a while and try again. Should it work, you might consider uninstalling the program, especially if it is a redundant freeware. Type command prompt in the Windows search bar, and when the icon appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now, type task list and hit Enter from your keyboard. Note down the name of the program from Image Name column. Type the following command: taskkill/F. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.